Hello, welcome back to Cook Plant and Decor channel. My name is Idania and this is my recipe for today. We are making homemade hot sofrito. It's gonna be spicy, and a lot of flavors. And for that, we are harvesting some of my peppers. Some of them are hot, others sweet. We have here crystal pepper, we have chip nose pepper, and cayenne peppers. I like to harvest them when they arrive to that beautiful color where they're supposed to be, because they have that sweetness, and also along with the spicy that they bring with it is so good in our food for any kind of sofrito. Peppers are one of my favorite things to grow in my garden because they're giving the color, the beautiful color to my garden, and also they are so delicious. So I like hot pepper, I like sweet pepper, smoky pepper, but this year I'm growing those that I mentioned to you. The cayenne pepper, crystal pepper, and the chip nose pepper. That the chip nose, this one, they are not spicy. So what I do, I mix them, the hot, so the spicy with the non-spicy. And I make my sofrito. So that way I can keep enjoying my peppers during winters and even until next year when I have my new peppers. Okay, we have all the peppers that we need for today's recipe. So I meet you in the kitchen. We're going to start to make our spicy homemade sofrito. Okay, and we are here in the kitchen. Welcome back. So we are ready to start to make our sofrito. For that, I wash all my peppers very well and I start to chopping them and place it in this large pan. This is my first time growing spicy hot peppers and I'm so pleased with the production. I'm getting a lot of peppers. I am adding garlic. This is my first adding ingredients to my peppers, and will be around 10 cloves. I just chopping them and adding to the pan just like that. A yellow onion will be my second ingredient added to my peppers. Also I have oregano, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. In this case, I'm using Badia organic. Ground cumin, 1 tablespoon, also from Badia. Olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Place the pan on high heat and start stirring until all the spices mix with the peppers. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. And you will create one of the most tasty sofrito that you ever cook with. I highly recommend it for any kind of stew. Me, I put it in my yellow rice, on my beans, and my stew meats, my fish, on everything because it tastes so good. Okay, after 5 to 6 minutes, the sofrito should look like this. Let it cool down, then place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Then you place it into a sterile glass container and it's ready to be used for cooking our favorite recipes. Remember to keep it in the fridge. And that's it for today. If you like this video, let me know in your comments. Also, let me know what kind of peppers do you like. Do you like hot peppers or sweet peppers? What about spicy, smoky peppers? Do you grow peppers too? I will be so happy to read your comments and have some interactions. I want to meet you, and this is the best way. And remember, cook plants and decor and be happy.